If you're a rule follower, cover your ears, close your eyes, or leave the room, because today we're breaking the rules. Crispy baked pesto cod with sautéed veggies is proof that the fish and cheese don't belong together rule was made to be broken. We begin by coating the fillets with a thick layer of the cheesy basil pesto. Then sprinkle on a generous layer of the breadcrumbs. Now we're gonna flip them over and lay them out on a lined baking pan. Generously spread that garlicky, cheesy pesto on the other side of the fish and top with more breadcrumbs. And now, pop them in the oven. While the cod is baking, heat olive oil in a large frying pan over medium-high heat. In go the zucchini, yellow squash, and bell peppers. Season with salt and pepper and let them heat through and brown a little bit. Then lower the heat when they're almost cooked through and add the chopped garlic. I add this last to keep it from burning on the higher heat. And just as the veggies are ready, the pesto cod comes out of the oven in about 10 minutes. A bed of rice, quinoa, or noodles with the garlicky sautéed veggies tastes great together for this quick and easy weeknight meal. I like to serve it up with a sprinkle of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, some extra pesto, and maybe a little more cheese. Might as well, because after all, we're breaking the rules. You can find this recipe and many more at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.